Are you trying to watch videos with boring sound effects? Well, in this tutorial, we're going to show you step by step how to add professional sound effects to your videos using Adobe Audition. Let's get started. Add your audio sound. Select your audio sound and click on Ctrl A. Go to the Effect menu. Select your choice one by one effect. How to add sound effects in Adobe Audition step-by-step tutorial. How to add sound effects in Adobe Audition step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add sound effects in Adobe Audition. Enhance your audio projects with these tips and take your creations to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this.